Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Now I am going to be starting a new series where I dedicate a video to each widget that is commonly used in Flutter. A kind of similar to widget of week, but I will probably be doing this daily, so I guess it more likely. So the first widget I am going to show you appropriately going to be the container widget. So I want to start with more basic widget and progressively move on to more complex widget. Of course, I am open to any feedback, so let me know if you have any query and suggestions. Anyways, let's get started. So now we have in our main.dart file and a main function, run app, my app, and a stateless widget, and returning a material app and a home page. So there we are returning a blank scaffold. So in the body, if I just give a container, I can illustrate a couple of things you can do with this container. So width of 300 and height of 300, and colors dot deep orange. Let's pause and let's restart the app and see our container. We can see our container. Now we have to wrap our container with a center widget. It brings my container to center of my screen. Let's change the color of my container to blue. Now we have a property of decoration, a box decoration for decorating our container. So box decoration have a property of color also, so we have to paste it over here, and another property of shape. So box shape dot circle and rectangle. So we have a circle, so it's change the shape of my container, you can see it, and border property of border dot all, and color dot black. I hope that you will see the changes. If I zoom it my emulator, you can see it properly. So we have also defined width, so let's set as 2. So there is no visible changes to see. Let's change to 4, so our border become more thicker. Everything in a Flutter is a widget. So what that mean? Each widget have a child that you can specify, and I am just going to put a basic text widget and also put some styling of text style. So in my text style, I can style my text. So I set as colors dot white and font size 25. To arrange my text, we have to wrap with a center widget. Now center widget brings my text to mid of my container. Let's explore some more properties for container. And a border radius of Border radius have all vertical, only horizontal and circular. So we choose a dot circular of 10. So it makes my corners rounded. So you can see it. Let's make it to 20. Now a property of box shadow. So box shadow gives a number of lists and we can define a color in it, shadow color, blur radius which we can set as 10, and offset. Now offset is related to x axis shadow and y axis shadow. So we have to define x axis value, so we set as 0 and y axis value set as 4. So you can see the clear difference. So this box shadows and other properties makes our UI looks good. Yes, you can play around. There are a lot of things that you can do with a basic container, and I would say a container is most fundamental widget that there in a Flutter. So that is basically what a container is. And so let me know if this was some helpful for anyone, especially for beginner, and stay tuned because I am going to be through all the widget and a dedicated video to each one. So that's we master in fundamental of Flutters. So thanks for watching this video, and